children, how are you? I hope you all are fine and healthy at your rooms. Today we will study chapter number 13 from your book Ramarville, and your chapter name is Simple Future Tense. We had studied about simple present and simple past in previous chapters. So today we will study about simple future tense. What is the use of simple future tense in a sentence and how we use simple future in a sentence. Okay, tell me which word is used to show the time of an action. Which word is used to show the time of an action? It is called tense. Tense show the time of an action. Okay, in which tense action will take place in the time to come? In which tense action will take place in the time to come? It is future tense. In future tense, the action will take place in the time to come. Which tense shows the future time? It is also called future tense. Future tense shows the future time. So in this chapter we study about the helping verb, the structure, about simple future tense. So let's read this chapter. Okay children, this is your simple future tense. The simple future tense tells us about an action that will happen in the future. For example, I shall go to the market tomorrow. They will come to our house in the evening. We use shall, will and the base or the root form of the verb in the simple future tense. With I and we usually use shall and the base form of the verb. For example, I shall go for a swim in the evening. We shall play in the park in a short while. With you, he, she, it, they, and singular and plural nouns, we use will and the base form of the verb. You will need these things during the trips. He will go to the pet shop tomorrow. These are the examples of you, he, she, it, they. With will. Negative form. We form negative sentence in the simple future tense. Shall, will, plus not, plus base form of the verb. I shall not bite my nails. We shall not push each other. You will not go to market alone. They will not play in the dark. Forming question in the simple future tense using question verbs. With I and we form questions using question verbs in the simple future tense. Question verb plus shall plus IV plus base form of the verb plus question mark. For example, where shall I park the car? What shall we do with this broken frame? With you, he, she, it, they, and singular and plural nouns, we form the question using question word. Question using question words in this way. Question word plus will plus you, he, she, it, they, noun plus base form of the verb plus question mark. For example, where will you stay in Nainital? Who will he meet at the conference? When will she come back from her friend's house? How will it work? Teach me, please. Why will they go to school on Sunday? What will mother read to us tonight? Who will Arjun and Partha contact in the hotel? Forming yes, no questions in the simple future tense. With I and we form the yes or no question in the simple future tense. Shall plus IV plus base form of the verb plus question mark. Shall I open the door for you? Shall we go to see this play? With you, he, she, it, they, and singular and plural nouns, we form the yes-no questions in this way. Will plus you, he, she, it, they, noun plus base form of the verb plus question mark. For example, will you embroider these handkerchief now? Will he tell us a story? Will she bring her dog to my place? Will it snatch the peanuts from me? Will they improve the look of their classroom? Will the doctor examine the patient now? Will Robert and Jack sing for the band? So these are the examples of forming yes or no questions with he, she, it, they. So this is your homework. Write 2 examples of each sentence of in this tense. In this tense, इस टेंस में कौन कौन से, जैसे इन पॉजिटिव फॉर्म, इन नेगेटिव फॉर्म, इन फॉर्मिंग यूजिंग क्वेश्चन वर्ड एंड फॉर्मिंग यस और नो. तो देन राइट 2 examples of each sentence. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you very much.